Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Etisalat SIM card online. So you can either go on the Etisalat's official website and there you can log in, or what you can do is it will be very easy for you to download and install the E and UAE SIM application in your device, and then you just have to simply open it. Now once you have successfully opened it, you will have to first of all log in into your account, and in order to log in you will have to just tap on this icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you can either log in with the help of your UAE pass if you are a complete beginner, or if you are new in Dubai you might have the UAE pass, so I would recommend you to log in with UAE pass. But if you have the login credentials with Etisalat app, you just have to provide those details and you need to basically log in into your account. Then come back on the home page and scroll down a bit until you see this option that says activate SIM. Now tap on this option and it will say that if you have recently purchased a new SIM with the help of your UAE pass, you need to activate it within 48 hours to enjoy all the benefits. So you need to make sure of this thing. Then tap on the activate your SIM and it will redirect you on the next page where you will have to just follow further on-screen instructions in order to activate your SIM card online. It is a very simple and easy process. However, if you find any of the problems while activating your SIM, you just have to simply come back on this page, and this time you need to tap on the contact us option. So you can either mail on this email, and you can even directly call them, and you can contact on these given numbers for any kind of problems that you are facing in the activation of your SIM card. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.